Sarah was selling Girl Scout cookies in her neighborhood. The number of houses she visited is shown below. How many more houses did Sarah visit on Wednesday than Monday? Okay, well, the first thing we need to do is look at our chart. Well, we have a key down here that says a house equals 3 houses. So what does that mean? It means each house that you see equals 3. So the first thing that we need to do to figure out this problem is to figure out how many houses she visited each day. Well, if we know each house equals 3, we have 2 houses, so 1, 3, plus 2, so 3. Tuesday only has 1. Wednesday has 1, 2, 3, 4. Thursday has 1. Friday, 1, 2, 3. So we know we have to add up the amount of houses in threes because each house equals 3 houses. So let's add them together. Monday is 3 plus 3. What's 3 plus 3? 3, 4, 5, 6. Tuesday, well, Tuesday is just 3. Wednesday is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. What does that look like? Does that look like repeated addition? Yeah. So let's add it together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that we have 12 houses for Wednesday. Thursday, it's just 3. Friday, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3. Well, let's add that up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, now we know the total amount of houses that Sarah visited each day selling Girl Scout cookies. But the question is asking how many more houses did Sarah visit on Wednesday than on Monday? So if it's how many more, we know it's going to be a subtraction problem. So let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday, her total was 12, but we need to know how many more she visited on Wednesday than on Monday. Well, we know on Monday she visited 6, so 12 minus 6. How else could we demonstrate 12 minus 6? Well, you do a diagram. We know she visited 12 on Wednesday and 6 on Monday. So how many more houses do we need to get 12? Well, let's see. 6 plus what equals 12? Well, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know you need 6 more to equal 12. So let's try to check our work. We got 6. How can we check this? How can we check 12 minus 6 equals 6? Well, if you said we could add them together to get our total, you're right. So let's do that. 6 plus 6 equals what? Well, let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equals 12. Is that our total? Yes. So we know that our answer is right because we checked it. So let's go to our answers. A says 2. Was it 2? No, it was 6. B says 6. Was it 6? Yes, it was. But we're going to check anyway. C says 18. No, we have 6. So that's not right. D says 15. But we know we have 6 because we even checked our work. So we know that D is wrong as well. So B is our answer.